Alright guys, we're back with another Cooking with Corner Slice video. And this time we have a surprise new ingredient on the channel. What does that say? Salad. No, this is lettuce. Yes, so we have a new ingredient on the channel, lettuce. And yeah, that's a new debut. So now we've got lettuce, and as you can see here, we're going to make tacos. So I figured today what we do is we try some tacos with lettuce and sour cream and ground beef and some cheese, and then I've got some nice hot sauce here. Now some people like it a little bit hotter, and that's cool, but for now we're just gonna stick with the Frank's Red Hot, the Frank's Red Hot sauce. Kind of mispronounced it there a little bit, eh? All right, so we got to get the ground beef off, and you know, that's usually pretty easy to do. We just get like a bowl, start putting it in there, I guess. Let's get some ground beef out of here. Make sure it's all cooked correctly. Try not to waste any. Get that off in there. There we go. Check for, you know, make sure it's all cooked properly. It's not too pink or anything. Okay. Looks pretty good. We don't want to waste any. So then you get that. And we're going to load up our shells. So maybe we'll do this one here. We'll load that one up first, right? It seems to be the most stubborn. It doesn't want to go. Alright, so we'll put the meat in first. I'm going to put that as like the base. Okay. Put the meat in first. And make sure it's nice and filled. That's pretty good. Then we put the cheese. And you don't need to skimp on the cheese. There's enough room for a lot of cheese. Now, if you're making food for kids, at this point you would stop, because kids are like really picky eaters, and if you put something on it that they don't like, you're just wasting your money, right? So if this is a taco for a kid, you just stop at this point, let them choose what they want to put on, leave it at that. But for me, I'm going to put everything on there. I'm going to try out some of that new lettuce that I've heard so much good things about. Alright, now I always kind of wash the lettuce, you know. I'm saying that as if I've eaten it my whole life. You know, I like to wash it, right? You know, just in case there's like pesticides or anything on it. Then you get some sour cream, put it on there. That's gonna look so good. And then you get some hot sauce and you just dump it on there. There we go. Now this looks pretty good to me, but we gotta taste it and see, right? So I'm gonna try one right here. That's good. Oh wait. Yeah, that's delicious. So there you have it. Spicy tacos with lettuce and sour cream.